prototype ng project ni Patrick. PCB etching agitator using old CD-ROM drive. Ang supply nito 5 volts, 5 to 12 volts DC supply. So lalagyan lang ng pan with the ferric chloride. Good. Ready for submission. Ta-da!